Now, let's answer question from random post. At ito ay post ng isang FB name na hindi ko mabasa dito sa Philippine Civil Service Review for All. Sa number 12 daw, ang sagot ay 1/10. Paano po yung solusyon na ginawa or yung formula po sa number 12? Basahin muna natin si number 12. In a school election where 3 candidates sought election, the winning candidate received 3/5 of the votes. One losing candidate received 1/4 of the remaining votes. What part of the total votes did the candidate with the least number of votes receive? Let's solve this in 2 ways. Solution number 1. Sulatan natin ito ng solution number 1. Basahin natin ulit ito. In a school election where 3 candidates sought election, the winning candidate received 3/5 of the votes. So therefore, ang remaining ay 2/5. Ang kabuuan ay 5/5. I-minus mo yung 3/5. Yan yung na-receive ng isang winning candidate. Kopyahin si 5 na denominator. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Ma'am, saan kagaling ng 5/5? I-rewrite natin para klaro sa inyo. Yung kabuuan ay 1. Saan galing naman yung 1? Yan yung total votes. Okay? Ang 3/5, bali 3/5 sa buong vote. 3/5 sa total na vote. Yan yung nakuha ng isang winning candidate. So, in other words, yung pinaka-total ay 1. Ngayon, kung i-minus mo si 3/5, yung 1 ay dapat i-change natin ng 5/5 para pareho yung denominator. Now, kopyahin lang si denominator kasi mag-minus tayo ng fraction dito. Sa numerator, 5 minus 3 is equals to 2/5. Ito yung remaining. Sulat natin, ito yung remaining. One of the losing candidates received 1/4 of the remaining votes. So, 1/4 of the remaining votes. Ilan yung remaining votes natin? 2/5. And that is equals to, yung off natin, ang off, that is multiplication. So, 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 4 times 5 is equals to 20. I-list natin yan by finding the greatest common factor, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10. Now, doon muna tayo sa tanong. What part of the total votes, bali sa fractions, sa buong total ba, sa buong, yung total votes, fraction ang hinahanap natin dito. What part of the total votes did the candidate with the least number of votes receive? Although nandyan na yung sagot, pero tingnan lang natin yung pangatlo. Now, yung pangatlo ay 3/4. Saan kagaling ng 3/4, ma'am? Sa remaining votes, yung isa ay 1/4. So therefore, yung pangatlong candidates, 3/4. Again, 1 minus 1/4. So ang 1 maging 4/4. And then, 4 minus 1, that is 3. Kopyahin yung denominator na 4, kaya 3/4. Sa remaining. Doon tayo sa remaining. Obviously, ang 3/4 ay mas malaki pa sa 1/4. Therefore, ito na yung sagot. Pero kung gusto mong tingnan lang natin kung ilan yung 3/4 of 2/5 of multiplication. So, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. 4 times 5 is equals to 20. Hanapan natin ang greatest common factor para ma-list natin yan, which is 2. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10. Tingnan nyo ha. Si 3 over 10 ay obviously mas malaki pa sa 1 over 10. Ang tanong, what part of the total votes did the candidate with the least, yung pinaka-least, ang pinaka-least dito ay itong 1 over 10. Kaya ang sagot dito, letter A, 1 over 10. Para klaro lang, let's do solution number 2. So, itong solution number 2 natin, example lang na ang total ay 10. Example lang, hindi 10, 100 lang. So, ang total votes ay 100 lahat sila. In a school, basahin natin ulit, in a school election with 3 candidates, yung winning daw ay 3/5 of the votes. Therefore, 3/5 of the votes, 3/5 of 100. Again, ang of multiplication yan siya. Lahat ng numbers, lahat ng whole numbers, automatic may 1 as denominator yan siya. So, pag mag-multiply na tayo ng fraction, lahat ng whole numbers, doon mo i-multiply siya sa numerator. So, 3 times 100 equals 300 divided by 5. That is equals to 60. At pwede naman ganito ang gagawin natin. 100 divided by 5 and that is equals to 20. 20 times 3 is equals to 60. 60, ito yung yung winning candidates. Yan yung mga votes niya. 60 votes. Ngayon doon tayo sa 1/4. 1/4 of the remaining. Ang ginawa nating total dito ay 100. Again ha, sa ibang nalilito na maghahanap saan ka galing ng 100, atin-atin lang yan. Okay? So ngayon, 1/4 sa remaining daw. Meron ka ng 60. So ang remaining 100 minus 60, and we have 40. 1/4 of 40. Now, 1/4 of 40, again, yung of ay multiplication. 1/4 of 40 is equals to 10, or 40 divided by 4 is equals to 10. So, yung pangalawang candidate may 10 votes. Next, ito yung 40, ito yung remaining. Now, yung isa, yung pangatlo, 3/4 of the remaining. Remaining yung pinag-usapan natin, kaya 3/4 of 40. Ang of multiplication. Now, 3/4 of 40, and that is obviously equals to 30. In other words, pwede mo man siyang 40 divided by 4 is equals to 10. 10 times 3 is equals to 30. Or 40 times 3 is equals to 120 divided by 4 is equals to 30. 30 votes. Now yung tanong, what part of the total votes did the least number of votes received? Meron tayong 60, winning yan siya. Meron tayong 10 votes. Meron tayong 30 votes. Pinaka-least si 10 votes. Ang total votes na ginawa natin dito ay 100. So, 10 over 100, cancel mo lang yung mga 0 na yan. Isang 0 i-cancel mo sa taas, isa din sa baba. So, this is 1 over 10. Kaya ang sagot dito ay 1 over 10. Kunin muna natin yung fraction dito sa pangatlo. This is 30 over 100, which is 3 over 10. Mas maliit pa rin si 1 over 10. Yung winning votes naman natin, 60 over 100. Find the greatest common factor para ma-list natin yan siya. And that is 20. So, ang greatest common factor dito ay 20. 60 divided by 20 is equals to 3. 100 divided by 20 is equals to 5. Diba dito? In a school election of 3 candidates, so 3 candidates, so election, the winning candidate received 3/5. So 3/5 yung winning candidate. Now, ang sagot ay 1/10. Kasi siya lang yung pinaka-least na votes. Ngayon, I hope by this time, naintindihan nyo na kung bakit 1/10 yung sagot. Ma'am, hindi kaya mauubos yung oras namin sa actual na exam? Ngayon, kung praktisado kayo, intindihin nyo lang yung tanong. Ang tanong dito ay least number of votes. This can be answered in 5 to 10 seconds. Yung isang candidate, 3/5. Yung remaining ng 3/5 ay 2/5. Ngayon, ang losing candidate ay 1/4 of the remaining. Therefore, yung isa ay 3/4, which is mas malaki sa 1/4. So, doon ka lang mag-focus sa 1/4. Kapag sinabing 1/4 of the remaining, multiplication yan siya. So, i-multiply na natin to, and this is equals to 2, and this is equals to 20. Hanapan lang ng greatest common factor, which is 2. So, the answer is 1/10. Now, kung like nyo yung mga videos natin, like example, kung gusto nyo hanapin yung mga proportions na upload natin, pwede nyo isulat yung proportion, tapos isulat nyo yung pangalan ko. Para lahat ng mga na-upload natin regarding sa proportion, nandun yung madali nyo mag-appear lahat. Example, yung number series, sulat nyo lang yung mismong number series, tapos yung pangalan ko. Lahat ng upload natin na number series mag-appear. Kung gusto nyo rin yung mga age problem natin, sulat nyo yung pangalan ko, mag-appear lahat ng nagawa na natin. Marami na tayong nagawang mga word problems din. So, I hope nakakatulong ako sa inyo kahit papaano. I just hope na meron kayong natutunan sa mga videos ko. Thank you for watching and God bless. Kung like nyo yung mga videos natin, all you have to do ay i-share yung link. Meron ditong 3 dot na yan sa right side. I-click mo yan. Tapos meron yang share. So, i-click mo yung share. Pwede nyong idirekta sa chat kung sino ang pagbibigyan nyo ng link. Or dito kayo sa news feed kung gusto nyo idirekta nyo i-post sa timeline nyo. Or copy the link at i-paste nyo kung saan nyo gustong i-share. At huwag ugaliing gawing normal ang manguha ng videos ng walang pahintulot.